Hi, parents. This week, our preschool teachers are focusing on collecting data for objective number 23 demonstrates knowledge of patterns. It's really interesting with this because it goes up to third grade to see how, when we teach this pattern at an early age and collect data on it, how that leads us into different things as far as math goes. Now, to give you an idea, we are looking at the green for 3-year-olds, the four will be the blue. So we're looking for our students. And like I said before, sometimes our students will fall here and sometimes they'll be over here. It's really developmentally where they are. So we're looking at copying simple repeating patterns, like maybe beating a drum as the teacher does, loud, soft, stringing beads as a friend does with a pattern of like red, blue, blue, red, blue, etc. Or maybe even a little piece of this one. As you can see, when it's in between, that means a little of this and a little of this. Noticing a special song is played when it's cleanup time. Pointing the tiles of the bathroom. These are just examples of what they look at. Noticing that the patterns in a tile go a certain way. Now, with our 4-year-olds, we start to look into extending and creating simple patterns. Like patterns are in movement too, not just with blocks and things like that, or with cubes. So the reminder that if they know they may be an in-between level, maybe we have a 4-year-old who would know all of this and a little bit of this, which would be recognizing, creating, and explaining more complex, repeating, and simple growing patterns. With language like if I add 1 to 3, the next number is 4. If I add 1 to 4, the next number is 5. Growing pattern by adding a cube, like a staircase, that type of thing. Then it goes on with now our kindergarten through third grades don't use these. They use the New Jersey learning standards, but this gives us an idea of how this type of an objective grows. We'll grow on to noticing more complex patterns in numbers, like identifying the core unit of patterns. Like I see 00 to 99 on the chart. All the numbers are in the ones place, all have one. They're going down. All the fives in that chart have the fives going down. Um, Using number patterns to count and solve problems and recognizing arithmetic patterns. So, see what we're doing here in preschool, we're setting the base for things to come. So, contact me if you have any questions, and if you have any examples of your child finding patterns or making or noticing, let us know.